In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up your Wikispaces wiki for yourself, and I'm going to then show you some of the basic functions of the wiki, how you can add content to it. So the first thing we need to do is go up to where it says Wikispaces in the top right. On this screen we will see up on the top menu it says create a new wiki. You can click on that, and on this page we need to give our wiki a name, so you can choose whichever name you like. Once you've entered the name, you have to decide what kind of wiki you would like. Protected is probably the best one because only the people who are members of your wiki can edit the pages, so click protected. And down here is a very important option. It's the type of wiki. Let's choose K-12 education, because in that case our wiki will stay free. So after you've selected all of these options, click create. Now you can see we're at our new wiki. Immediately this help box opens up. Now I would like to encourage everybody to go through the tutorials on this page. They are very quick, they are very easy to understand, and they can help you get a grasp of your wiki and how to manage it. Now if I close this, you can see I can access it on the top right menu bar by clicking help. So here we are at our new wiki. What we need to do first is add new pages. Now I'd like to encourage everyone to add all the pages on their wiki before they do anything else. Follow me over to the left hand menu and click on new page. Here we can give the new page a name. You can give the page a tag so that people can find it quickly, and then click create. Once you've created the page, you have the option of adding content to it. For now I'm just going to add a title, and once you've done that, click save, and our page has been created. Now I'm going to add all the pages in my wiki, so I add another new page. So as you can see, I have created my pages and they appear on this left hand side navigation bar. I've created one page called Sandbox. I'm going to use that to show you some of the things that you can add to your wiki page. So I click on Sandbox, I go up to Edit on the top right, and you can see the what you see is what you get editor. We looked at this in the last tutorial. Alright, the first thing that you can add is a link. Now this link can be a link to a page in our blog, or it can be an external link, such as a link to your own personal blog e-portfolio, or perhaps a website that you want people to read. So we'll do a link within this website, and it's pretty easy to do. I just choose the name, and if I want this to read something else, and this link text is what will appear on the wiki, I click add link, and there it is. Now the next thing you can do is add a file. This option is if you want to upload a file from your computer. So I'm going to click on upload files. You can upload sound files or pictures, or you can upload documents, whatever you like. I'm going to upload some pictures and some sound files. Now the good news is, by clicking Control, you can select different files and more than one file at once. Click Open, And you can see that it is going ahead and uploading all of these files. To embed the file, all I simply do is double click on it, and you can see my picture appears. Down in the box, I can make the picture smaller or larger. I can add a link to the picture. I can have the picture center or wherever on the screen I like. I can add a caption, and once you've done that, all you do is close the box and it should appear. The next thing I'm going to add is a sound file. If I click on File again, you can see all my files that I uploaded are still there. I'll click on Dog, and you can see a big audio player appears. This will become an actual player when I save this. If we go over to Widget, this is where you can put all different kinds of widgets into your wiki page. Now I will show you one or two of the widgets now. The video widget, you can import videos from YouTube or other video sites. If you click on YouTube, this box appears, and you know how to embed the YouTube videos on your blog. It is basically the same here. You get the embed code from YouTube and then you paste it into this box here. The other widgets that I'll show you is calendar. If you have a Google Calendar set up on your Gmail, you can embed that. If you have a spreadsheet in your Google Documents, you can embed that. You can also insert an RSS feed. We learnt about that in our last module. You put the feed URL in this box and then select the different options. You can have a Skype widget on your page. If you have a Flickr account through Yahoo, you can have a Flickr slideshow. You can include a Google map. And the very last option here, HTML, this is great because in this option you can go to widget box, you can get the embed code at the widget box like we did for our blog widgets, and you can paste it in this box. So those are the different widgets that you can have. I will go ahead and insert a YouTube video. So I have got my YouTube code, and all I simply do here is Control V. Here it is. Click preview or save. I'm going to save it, and you can see the YouTube video will be embedded. You can also insert a table simply by clicking on table, how many columns, how many rows, and you can see I've inserted a table there. And if I click save, you will see my YouTube video that I embedded, the table, here's the link, here's the sound file. If I click on that, it plays. Here's the picture. So those are some of the basic things that you can put into your wiki pages.